Good morning or afternoon, as the case may be. This is assignment for today, Thursday, November 6th, sorry. And this is the last page of that document that was titled Ionic Compounds. Naming ionic compounds is the last page of that. You should have it. If not, ask Mr. Smith. He'll give you another copy. And we're just doing the crisscross method for writing formulas, as we did on the lab the other day. And so I thought it might be helpful to have another video that you can refer back to at some point when you need it. So when you do the crisscross, well, the thing is, ionic compounds, they should all end up neutral when they're done. So the positive number and the negative number has to be the same. If they're already the same, you just write them one of each. Like here on this first one, we have Na plus and Cl minus, so it's just NaCl. Here's an Na plus and an OH minus, NaOH. The parentheses are not required here, but I think it's good practice because, well, they are required on many of the other problems. So NaNO3, that one's done. So now if they're not the same, what we do is we take the charge from one, like this, -2, just the 2, and the charge from the other, that's the 1, and we make the charge for one of them the subscript for the other one. So the Na is +1, CO3 -2, so the 2 is going to be the subscript on the Na, and the CO3 will have a subscript of 1, which you do not have to write. I did, you don't have to. So this one also, Na2, SO4, 1. I'm not writing the 1. Na3, PO4, 1. I'm not writing the 1. So that takes care of this first row going across. Any others that are like sodium with the +1 charge will be a very similar format. NH4Cl, one of each. NH42, CO3, 1. NH4OH, NH42, SO4, and of course NH4, NO3. So this potassium row will be done very similarly. The calcium here with the +2, we're going to take the 2 from the calcium, put it on the chlorine, or take the 1 from the chlorine, put it on the calcium. CaCl2. Calcium +2, carbonate -2, CaCO3. CaOH2, CaSO4, Ca3PO4, 2, and CaNO3, 2. Okay. Particularly the OH is a tricky one. Well, not really tricky. You want to get sloppy on that. You want to just say MgOH2, but that's no good because that says there's 1 Mg, 1 O, and 2 H's. Whereas if you go MgOH2, now that's an Mg, 2 O's, and 2 H's. Because the OH is the hydroxide group, right? And so the 2 without parentheses is just for the hydrogen, 2 with the parentheses is for both hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. So then when we're crisscrossing, like on the calcium with phosphate, Ca +2 PO4 -3. Hang on, I gotta get the phone. still working on them, but yeah. All right, bye. So actually the 2 goes here and the 3 goes there. And when you do that, you got 2 with -3 for -6, and 3 with +2 for +6, and that adds up to, that adds up to 0. And we want them to be neutral. Okay? So we'll continue that. The Mg2+, the zinc 2+, work very similar. I'm going to work out the one of these +3s, and then I'm going to turn you loose on the rest of the document. So that should get you a good start on this document. And when you get that finished, you can turn it in. Why don't we not do, how about we skip this one and this one. That gives you 5 rows to do. So you'll be doing potassium, magnesium, zinc, aluminum, iron 2. And when you're finished, turn that in. Thank you.